keep our tidal volume to the 2 ml. We will press it OK and set mode. Then we will start the ventilation. The ventilation has been start now. You can see the 3 loops here and the 3 waveforms here. It has all advanced and basic modes. These are the basic modes and these are the advanced ventilation modes. Its tidal volume starts from 2 ml, dedicated for neonatal ventilation, and it can work on both invasive and non-invasive modes. It has battery backup of 6 hours and it can be upgradable for SpO2 and EtCO2 also. It has built-in nebulization function. You can see the port here. This is, and it has self-checking facility, self-system checkup facility, and it has a respiratory mechanics dedicated neonatal flow sensor for accurate ventilation in neonatals. Also, it has apnea ventilation, plus you can have the additional modes like you can freeze the screen from here, you can set the alarm limits from here, you can change the parameters, beep, manual breathe, etc. from here. Also, it has some connecting modes. I'll show you. These are the connection ports here. This is the low flow and high flow O2 port. This is high flow, this is the low flow O2 port, and this is the place where you can change the O2 cell, right? And it has EtCO2 and SpO2 ports also. We have connected the SpO2 cable. You can add the EtCO2 also. These are the upgradable features. If you want it, you can upgrade it later. Also, you can rotate your screen as per your convenience, right? You can rotate it on 180 degrees. Now, if you want to switch off the ventilation, just go to the standby, press OK, and the ventilation has been stopped. So, to power off the machine, you just have to long press the power button and press OK from here. The system will shut down in 5 seconds.